Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I hope that you and your loved ones are safe, healthy, and doing well during this time. In today's video, I actually just have a really quick announcement to make, and I was kind of debating how I wanted to share this news, so I decided to do a quick YouTube video as well as a blog post that's just going to go into a little bit more detail about this announcement. So really, to cut to the chase, I am going to be doing, or I have done, a collaboration with OHM Beads. So oh my gosh, it's crazy to even talk about this. I got asked by OHM if I'd be interested in being, doing like kind of the OHMistry project with them, if I'd be interested in designing a bead. And that was just so surreal to hear. I was just like, what, me, really? Like, it's still crazy. I couldn't believe it. I think this was back in like August or September. And, you know, of course I said yes, like that's a dream come true. And I had always thought about, like, if I had the opportunity to design my own bead, like what it would be. And this bead, basically, it's very personal bead, but it's also one that just, I think, will resonate and connect with a lot of other people. So the name of the bead is called Don't Give Up. And it definitely has a nature, fairy tale, story vibe to it, which I'm really excited about, but I don't actually physically have the bead. Hi, Ella. I think Ella wants to say hi to you guys. She's right here, by the way. I don't actually physically have the bead yet. It's actually being currently mailed to me, but over the next couple of weeks I will be sharing photos and, you know, my inspiration behind the story behind it and all of that stuff with you guys. So stay tuned for more future things like that. The bead will be releasing on June 19th at 10 a.m. Pacific time zone. And I'm just, oh my gosh, it's so surreal to talk about this. It's so crazy. First off, I just want to say a huge thank you to OHM Beads for this opportunity to be your June month OHMistry project. Like, number one, like, that is just such an honor. It's so crazy. I'm so humbled, and oh my gosh, it's insane. But a huge thank you also to you guys. Like, sorry, I'm getting emotional, but like, I wouldn't have those opportunities without each and every one of you, and it just totally means so much to me. So just thank you for all your love and support on this channel, on my Instagram, on my blog, just for like me just sharing my love of jewelry and all of that stuff, because this has led to this crazy, insane opportunities. I'm so thankful, and I hope this bead will really connect with all of you, and I can't wait to share pictures with you. I can't wait to hear what you guys think of it. I love it. Like, I think, you know, I used to get asked, like, what is your favorite charm? What is your favorite bead? And I always found that so hard to answer, but I think now I can officially say my favorite bead is the one that OHM Beads let me design and collab with them on. So this bead is just, oh my gosh, I can't wait to share it with you. But anyway, that is it for this video. It's a super quick one. I will link my blog post for this down below, because I'm going to share some pictures of me sketching out my ideas for it and kind of talking a little lightly about it, but stay tuned, because as the weeks continue leading up to June 19th, I will be sharing more videos and more photos and content for you guys on it, and I honestly can't wait to hear your guys' feedback on it. I really hope you guys love it as much as I do, and that, again, that you connect with the story behind it. So anyway, you guys, that is it for today's video. I hope you and your loved ones are doing safe, healthy, and doing well. I also just want to go on here really quick and just say, oh my gosh, I'm going to get emotional again. Just say a quick thank you. As some of you guys may know, if you follow me on Instagram or if you saw my YouTube post, Zoe, my little guinea, she passed away 2 nights ago now. So I'm also a little extra emotional with that. As a lot of you guys knew, she was diagnosed in August with cancer. We were told that she would only have a couple weeks to live, but she's given us so many months of healthy, happy, carefree months with her being really well. And then 2 days ago, I did notice a change, and I knew that we needed to take care of her and to monitor, and she definitely was, yeah. So it's tough, it's hard. I miss her so terribly much, but I know she's up there in heaven with Harlow, and if you guys remember Harlow, she's right here. So I know that they're reunited, and I'm really, really happy about that too. So sorry getting a little emotional there, but I just also wanted to say a big thank you, because a lot of you guys are like me, you're huge pet animal lovers, and you can really connect with, like, they're a member of your family, and when you lose one, it definitely feels like you're missing a piece of your heart. So thank you again for that, and anyway, stay safe you guys, stay healthy, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now. And Ella and Georgia just wanted to just quickly say hello to you guys. We've been hanging out together and having fun. Yeah, oh my goodness.